I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting the essentials ready. Open Notion on your iPad and confirm you're signed in. Next, pick the widget provider or build a small Notion page that will act as the widget source. This gives you control over displayed content. Once done, tap Share on that Notion page and copy link. Make sure the page is set to public so the widget can access it. This initial setup avoids permission errors later on, and it keeps the process fast and repeatable. You'll now build the widget using shortcuts. Create a new shortcut that starts with the public Notion URL or the provider's API endpoint. Use getContentSof URL to fetch data, then parse the JSON or render HTML in a web view depending on the widget type. This controls what shows on screen. After processing, add the shortcut to home screen widgets, selecting the exact size, small, medium, or large, and set a reasonable refresh interval so content updates without draining battery. Finish by placing the Shortcuts widget. Long press your iPad home screen, tap the plus icon, choose Shortcuts, and select the shortcut you saved. Tap the widget to test it. If it shows blank, immediately check that the Notion page is still public and that the copied URL is exact. Small typos break the feed. If you hit rate limits or see stale data, make sure to increase the refresh interval or use a provider that caches responses. This keeps your widget stable and responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.